From lottery scams to social media scams. This evening, we hear the shocking stories of 3 women who have been scammed online several times since the pandemic. Kalisha Williams tells their story in part 1 of a primetime news in focus, social media scam.
3 women, 3 different parishes, united by a WhatsApp group, all victims of an online scam. Victim 1. We will call her Pamela.
I went on Instagram and I saw some bags because I was thinking about selling some school bags for for September last year.
The bags were advertised by a Jamaican small business owner who buys and sells foreign goods online. Unemployed and desperate to set up her own small business, Pamela placed an order.
I didn't have the money at the time, so NCB sent me the notification that I could borrow $100,000 from online banking. So I borrowed it and I sent her the money.
She paid $39,500 to the business owner. Weeks later, she didn't receive the order.
She said the reason when she contacted the manufacturers, they told her that the bags, one set was 4 days out, one set was 9 days out.
But the days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. Still, no items, no refund. Which is why she thought she was scammed and created a WhatsApp group after finding other victims on social media. That's where she met victim 2. We will call her Cassidy.
When I placed the order, I got an invoice from her. Show that, okay, you have placed your order and it will take 10 to 15 days.
Cassidy said the business owner told her the items were stuck in China. And week after week, her story changed.
She keep her hopes up, giving us empty promise, telling how much she's sick. Every time we call her, it's an excuse that give me a time, just give me some more time, no later than today, no later than today.
However, that WhatsApp group only triggered traumatic memories for Pamela, who said she was scammed twice on the same social media platform.
Because Black Friday, that things on discount. I asked them about the table. And they tell me it's for 19,000 now. So, the next day I made payment. They said that I was supposed to get it this Saturday. So Saturday I've been calling and looking and no one. I know nobody gonna come.
I can't tell you where I'm at. I also can't tell you who I'm about to interview. But I can say is that she's been scammed not 1, not 2, but 4 times.
First time I got scammed, I was paid for the farmer program, meaning like somebody would deal with it for me, and they asked me to pay them an incentive, which I did. I also borrowed the money to do so. Up until this day, I still haven't received any information pertaining to it.
That was 2020. Later that year, she invested $100 in Bitcoin after being approached by a friend. She said she was promised $200 in 20 days. However, that turned out to be a scam. 2021, again, she was approached by another friend who told her he and others were making money from Bitcoin. And although she had her doubts, she was desperate to make quick cash. However, they took her money and disappeared.
Knowing the situation that I was in, I want to get out. I was in, a physical and a verbal relationship. He was very abusive.
Which brings us back to the WhatsApp group. The 4th scam. Like Pamela and Cassidy, this woman is also waiting for items she purchased from the business owner on Instagram.
I have sleepless nights, for probably about 3 months now. I haven't slept comfortably because it's each time I close my eyes and think about all that I've been through.
This is what we got when we tried to call the Instagram business owner.
You can leave a message after the tone.
But how did these women fall prey to so-called scammers so many times? Tomorrow, we'll hear from the police and a digital security expert. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.